Ujjwala Nilamani class continuing, and we're discussing chapter 4, Sakhi Prakaran. This is the varieties of Sakhis and girlfriends of Krishna in Vrindavan, Radharani, Lalita, Vishaka. And we were discussing the different qualities. Some are very bold and heavy girlfriends in their loving dealings with Krishna, and some are very middle road, sometimes heavy, sometimes mild, and some are very mild and submissive and a little immature. So these are three broad categories. When you read Ujjwala Nilamani, it's quite a lot of levels and hierarchy and stratification to describe Krishna's eternal associates. The whole focus of Gaudiya Sampradaya is to bring everyone to the Madhurya Bhav. The six Goswamis, Mahaprabhu, six Goswamis, they've come to broadcast Madhurya Bhav. If anyone has other Bhav, they'll also get the mercy of Lord Chaitanya and develop that. But he himself was absorbed in Radharani's Mahabhav, which is Madhurya Rati, the love of the gopis and Krishna. And all of his followers are in the same mood, in Madhurya Rati. They're all Sakhis and gopis. Some are Sakhis, some are gopis. Ramananda Roy is a Sakhi. Swarup Damodar is a Sakhi. Swarup Damodar is Lalita Sakhi, Ramananda Roy is Vishaka. Six Goswamis or six Manjaris. And all the gurus coming from Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, most all gurus are in the Sakhi Bhav or Gopi Bhav, what we call Manjari Bhav.